Hey boys and girls, today I'm making another instructional video. Today's video is how to grind. It's just like making love to a woman. You gotta be smooth, have a long stroke, and you gotta put your weight into it. I'm gonna demonstrate for you exactly what I'm talking about. So just think of it as your woman and making love to her, and you'll have it down in no time. Here we go. You always want to keep a smooth, long stroke to ensure that everything is flat and silky smooth. Here's how you do it. And you want to put your weight into it. Put your weight into it so that way, you know, it's taking the metal off, it's taking off the material. But it's inevitable. You get to a tricky spot every time where it doesn't want to get off. So you gotta dig a little deeper. That looks a little something like this. Pretty simple, really. That's all you gotta do. That's how you grind. Then you get a nice silky smooth surface, just like that. That's how you do it.